State Police, your license, registration, insurance, please.
Can I ask what you're pulling us over for?
For tint.
Tint?
Yes.
Is that illegal?
Yes.
Okay, I have a prescription for my eyes. Was there?
Where is it?
I don't have it on me.
Okay.
It's in my other car, but I do have it, just so you know.
Yeah, because this is not the first time we've been put over for it.
And it's actually factory. They're double paned
What's that?
windows. They're double paned windows. They're actually factory.
Yeah.
Those are factory.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's a California car.
Yeah. If you feel the inside,
That's not factory.
they're UV. They're UV reflective. That's okay.
You were given a warning months ago to get it taken off.
Yeah.
And you failed to do so.
Okay.
Can't take it off.
Yeah, I can't take it off.
It's double
But
pane
it's okay.
windows.
Okay. Registration, insurance, please.
Registration.
Where it's always at, babe.
Okay, so just so you're aware, everything's being recorded, okay?
Ditto.
Okay, same for you.
What's that?
I said ditto.
Okay, that's fine. So just stay in the vehicle with it a minute, all right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey.
Okay, so here's your information.
Thank you.
All right, listen, you're gonna get a citation for windshield obstructions. Okay, for not being able to be able to see through your windows because the tinting is so dark.
Okay.
Okay, this is gonna be your copy. You're gonna respond to the upper left corner to that address, or there's a website on the bottom if you'd rather do it online. All the instructions on how to respond are on the bottom. Do you have any questions for me?
Get your badge number.
What's that?
What's your badge number?
10885.
Okay. Did you see that SUV over there in the parking lot?
What SUV?
The only SUV in the parking lot.
In AutoZone.
Which one?
The one that has tinted windows. You gonna go pull him over too? Or you just like fuck with me because I have a nice car? I'm just curious.
You have tinted windows, so I pulled
That
you
are
over.
factory.
Yeah, but
That's not factory.
Yes, it is. It's a
They're-
California
they're-
car.
they're double pane windows.
Double pane.
They're DOT approved.
You can feel it on the inside, so it could be removed.
I don't.
So
So okay. So who do you feel?
not factory.
How do you feel you?
Any questions pertaining
protected-
to the citation?
How do you feel you protected and served anyone today?
Any questions pertaining
now.
to the citation?
There's heroin and drugs all through our town, and this is what you
And
pulled
we
me-
arrest people every day for it.
Not enough, obviously.
So, okay, no questions. You guys
Have a nice
safe
New
trip.
Year, sir.
Yeah.
Pulled over again. Tinted windows. 2009 Mercedes S63. Factory, double pane windows. This is what I get to deal with. Every fucking day. Swear to God. Don't worry. I'm gonna get you guys.